Londono Zinios, actually, the first 2 pages are for actual news and for community news. Here's, like, for example, like kids club in Spalding in UK. Here is the advert of Lithuanian festive. It's called Sekmines. It will be in 60 miles from London. The other thing on the next page is news in the world and news in Lithuania. Actually, these are covering the main things which happened during the week. The next thing is news in Britain. Actually, it's these 2 pages are very popular because these are the main news about, for example, like about royal wedding, about Prince Charles, about Queen Elizabeth, and this page is crime. There are actually, we are not very proud of that, but last year there were 4,176 crimes committed in Great Britain by Lithuanians, and if you take like the fact that there are only 200,000 Lithuanians living in here, so of course you can think that every 50th of Lithuanian is potential criminal, and these are these 4 people who committed crimes, and this is article about that. But we are trying to find Lithuanians who live in London, who may be interesting people, like musicians, like people from art, or some man or woman who have success in United Kingdom, and we are trying to tell their stories. This is celebrity, because these 2 pages are for celebrities. Then we have page no comments. Actually, it's photo week, and it's all in photos because sometimes people just want to see pictures. And then we have 8 pages of adverts. Adverts are very popular, and people can find everything from to find a job, to find a flat, and mainly all ads are from Lithuanians. Then we have our newspaper is, as you can see, is divided into 2 places. Like, until ads, it's very serious site. It's like news. It's all very serious, and all this there are no jokes on this site. Then it starts, after adverts, we start like a little more relaxing site. And for example, this is a page which is travel. We are trying to introduce people to other countries. For example, like this is Spain, and this is running with bulls. Then we have 2 pages for ladies. It's for women. Actually, all the news, all the fashion news, all the interesting things about, for example, this is article about Hollywood lovers, how famous actors married not so famous. Next after page for man, for woman, we have page for man. It's all the news for car news. For example, these are the 10 strangest ice creams in the world. Here we have some sport news, and then we have TV guide. It's actually Lithuanian television, because many Lithuanians watch Lithuanian TV, so of course they want to know what's on TV.